Welcome to the YouTube channel Battlefield Chronicle. In today's video, we explore the powerful air defense system of Pakistan, a crucial shield that protects the country's airspace from aerial threats including enemy aircraft, drones, and ballistic missiles. Air defense is one of the most critical components of any modern military. For a country like Pakistan, which faces complex regional security challenges, a strong and layered air defense network is essential for national security. The Pakistan Air Force plays a central role in protecting the skies. Along with fighter jets and surveillance systems, the Air Force operates advanced radar networks and missile defense systems to detect and intercept hostile targets. One of the most advanced systems in Pakistan's arsenal is the Al-Yadi air defense system, a medium-range surface-to-air missile system designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones at long distances. Pakistan has also inducted the powerful HQ-9 air defense system, a long-range missile defense platform capable of tracking and destroying multiple aerial targets simultaneously. In addition to long-range missiles, Pakistan also operates short-range air defense weapons, such as the FM-90 air defense system, designed to defend military bases and critical infrastructure from low-altitude threats. A modern radar network forms the backbone of Pakistan's air defense. Advanced early warning radars allow the Pakistan Air Force to detect incoming threats hundreds of kilometers away. Pakistan's air defense is integrated with advanced fighter aircraft like the F-17 Thunder and the F-16 Fighting Falcon, which can quickly intercept hostile aircraft. Once detected, modern air defense systems are designed not only to stop aircraft, but also to counter cruise missiles and ballistic missile threats, ensuring strategic protection for the country. Pakistan's air defense shields key locations such as airbases, military headquarters, nuclear facilities, and major cities from potential aerial attacks. Pakistan is also working toward developing indigenous radar and defense technologies through organizations like Pakistan Aeronautical Complex to reduce reliance on foreign systems. Modern Pakistani air defense relies on network-centric warfare, where radar stations, missile systems, and aircraft share real-time information for faster and more accurate responses. To keep pace with evolving threats such as stealth aircraft and advanced drones, Pakistan continuously upgrades its air defense systems and surveillance technologies. A strong air defense system strengthens Pakistan's strategic deterrence, making it extremely difficult for adversaries to carry out successful aerial attacks. In conclusion, the air defense system of Pakistan is a multi-layered shield combining radar surveillance, missile systems, and fighter aircraft. This integrated defense network ensures that Pakistan's skies remain protected against modern aerial threats. The future of the air defense system of Pakistan is expected to evolve rapidly as modern warfare becomes increasingly dependent on advanced technology, integrated networks, and multi-layered defensive capabilities. As regional security dynamics continue to change, Pakistan is likely to invest heavily in strengthening its aerial shield to protect its airspace, strategic installations, and population centers from a wide range of threats such as stealth aircraft, cruise missiles, ballistic missiles, drones, and hypersonic weapons. A key driver behind this modernization is the role of the Pakistan Air Force, which has been actively working to build a highly coordinated and technologically advanced defense network capable of detecting, tracking, and neutralizing hostile targets at long distances. In the coming years, Pakistan is expected to further integrate its radar systems, interceptor aircraft, and missile defense platforms into a unified command and control architecture that allows real-time data sharing and faster decision-making during potential conflicts. Advanced long-range surface-to-air missile systems, such as the HQ-9 air defense system, are likely to remain a cornerstone of Pakistan's high-altitude and long-range interception capability, providing protection against enemy aircraft and certain missile threats. At the same time, medium-range systems like the Al-Yadi air defense system will continue to serve as a crucial layer in the country's multi-tier defense structure, enabling Pakistan to engage aerial threats before they reach sensitive areas.